everybody, welcome back. This is going to be a tutorial on a Disney movie that is soundtrack for Moana. This is how far I'll go. So if you're like me and you have children, 3 daughters, you've probably seen this movie 100 billion times, give or take. So yeah, groovy tune. The kids love it, so figured I'd share it with you. There's just a few parts. We're going to do 3 sections here. There is a key change in this song at the very end. And the key change, the normal key is E major. And at the end it changes, it just goes up a step to F. So I'll walk you through that when it comes. So I'm going to get in a little closer here so I can show you exactly how we're going to do this. Okay, the song starts off, I like to try to palm mute with my right hand a lot because it accents the chords and it goes along with the vocal melody really well when you do that. So we're going to start on E major and we're going to go ahead and start the strumming pattern, which is to F sharp minor, to C sharp minor, to A major. Play that again. F sharp minor, C sharp minor, A major. So that's the verse. That's going to be every verse. There's 2 verses in this, so that's going to be the verse. It leads into the pre-chorus, which goes like this. It starts on C sharp minor. So I'm going to walk into that C sharp minor, and then just power chord B, E major, to an A minor, which you're going to strum out. So I'm going to just go through that one time real quick for you. So this is going to be the verse going into the pre-chorus. So that is the pre-chorus. That goes into the chorus, which is similar to the verse. Instead of going to this F sharp minor, it goes E major to B to C sharp minor to the A. So that's it. I'll play through that. The strumming is kind of the only thing that really changes a little bit between each part. The key change is the chorus. And like I said, it just steps up to the F. So we're going to go through the chorus right now just to show you how it goes. So I'm going to walk through the pre-chorus into the chorus. So what is wrong with me? See the Okay, so that was the chorus back into the verse. So now I'm going to walk you through real quick the chorus into the key change for the outro. So the chorus is just the same and it plays through. This is where the key changes come in. It's just the chorus, it kind of builds, and you'll hear as the song progresses how that goes. So the chords for that are F major, and then it goes to C, and then we go to a D minor. I play it up here because it's easier for me to get back to the B flat that they use. So I play it like this, so you get all those strings to ring out. So F, C. So that's it. So I do want to run through the whole song with you so you get a gist of how it feels. So I'm going to go ahead and step back here so you can watch this live performance. The daughters shall sing How Far I'll Go. Disney soundtrack, Moana. You ready, girls?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, we are. All right.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I tried. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along with the voice inside, like a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, and no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? To the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
Thanks for watching.